So, mabilis as Milo Defensos, ingat po tayo sa pag-uwi. Thank you.
And welcome here at the first birthday celebration of Kazuma. Again, let's give a big round of applause to each other for coming all the way here in Calamba, Laguna. By the way, my name is Milo, the event's host, and I will be your guide throughout the event. So maraming salamat po again sa pagpunta po.
Uy!
Sa mga suppliers po, talagang na-exceed po yung expectation po namin. Talagang.
Of course, Jamaica, the parents of Kazuma. Thank you so much.